Hey, it's Suffering Student here, and today we're going to continue doing some SQL inside PostgreSQL using pgadmin 4. And today we're going to continue where we left off in the last video, and I'll just be showing a few examples of how we actually used select and a bit more explanation of what we can do with it, at least in the very basics of it. So last time we created a database, or last few episodes, and we now have a user table. I just added, like we did another last video, some more another person, another user. So we're going to have 4 different users. So if we want to see these, as I just did, we would call select all from user. So we do select keyword, all as the star from a specific table, user table. And if we just run it again, we just get all the information. But what we can also do is we can be a bit more specific. So for example, instead of saying select all, we might say select just some of the attributes. So for example, we just want to select the age. So we do select age from user table. That's not very interesting. We might be select age, comma, name. So we get age of the name. Oh, we can swap them around. That's the point of these actually not mattering too much of the position. That looks a little bit better to me. But what we also can do, what's actually quite interesting, we can specify some data. So for example, we can say select name and age from user table, where our age is equal to, let's see, it's an integer, so we shouldn't give a string, but let's say where it's equal to 20. So now we only get Daniel, Dan, and Daniel, because if we just look at the table again, Emma in this case have the age of 24. So by doing this, we're able to specify what kind of attributes we want and specifically what is the reasons or what is like the parameters that's defining the areas. But let's again just select all from user table. And what I'm pressing, if I'm not pressing the play, I can press F5. So that was just a short and simple explanation of the select, where we're able to select all or select specific attributes where specific constraints can determine what values we're getting. So in the next video, we're going to be showing how to change the values from an already created row. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.